Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Kraken Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now, first I will show you how you can add your currency on your trading platform if you don't have anything. So that you have here zero. Alright, so how you can do that? I assume that you are already logged in and you verified your account. So what you need to do now, here at the top right corner, you will see deposit. So click on deposit. From here now, you will select the currency. So I'm guessing that you will use the cash. So euro, USD dollar, Canadian, pounds, yen, Swiss franc, and so on. So I will select euro. And from here you will have two options, so manual bank transfer or PayPal. So I usually use this one, manual bank transfer. So you can select that. And from here you will have two options. So you have SEPA and SWIFT. So I use this one because it's no fee here and the minimum amount is €1, but it will take from 0 to 3 business day. And yeah, I think it's the best option is this one, SEPA, but you can also use Swift if you want, but the fee will be €3 or let's say $3 if you use dollars. Now here you will just need to agree with these statements, and now here you will see basically information of the bank name, bank address, IBAN, and so on. And what you just need to do is basically on your bank account, you will paste those information which is right over here, and then you will simply confirm that, and you will get in a few minutes, hours, or day this money to your trading account right here on Kraken. All right. So now that you have your cash here on the account, what you need to do is let's go to the left hand menu and select trade. So click on that. All right, just like that. And what we are need to do now, we need to search for Bitcoin pair that matches your deposited currency. So let's go here to the top left corner, and right here we can select. So let's go with BTC, and for easier I will select here USD, so like that. And now we have the chart of BTC USDT. All right, what we need to do now, here at the right side you see order form, so we are buying. Then here we can set some how we want to trade, so you can set the limit or market. So I most of the time use the market. Then here we can add the how much Bitcoin we want to buy, like that. Let's say I want 5. Then what you can do also is set the stop loss. Entry distance is in percentage, all right. But it won't let me because I'm in USDT, so I need to select euros. So BTC in euros, but it's the same. It's the same option, so it's the same thing. So it doesn't matter which currency you are in. So okay, the minimum is 4, like that. Now we can set the stop loss. Just like something like that. And what we can do now is just simply buy Bitcoin to euro. Stop loss trigger is at 3 euros. And yeah, now I can confirm it just like that. And now here at the bottom, you will see order is Bitcoin in my example to euro. And we have here basically placed the trade. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next